Okay, in this video we are going to look at how we can create multiple functions within a Python script. So you know how to define a function by using def keyword, and here you have to give a name for the function. So first I will write a function to convert days to uh, hours. So here is my function to convert days to hours. So how can I convert days to hours? So let's say we have the number of days defined as a global variable here. So you can say days equal, let's say 3. So we have 3 days, and which is globally defined. So this days variable is accessible inside this function. So here you can compute the hours. So you can say hours equal days multiply by 24, which gives us the hours. So here you can print you can say by using the if, and within inverted commas you can call the days variable days 3 days equal, and here you can call the variable hours. 3 days equal some hours, and the unit is hours. So 3 days equals some number of hours. So this is the function to convert day to hours. So here I can write an is, so days to hours. So next I will write another function definition. So here similarly I will copy this function and paste it here. So here instead of hours you can convert it to minutes. So to convert it into minutes you need to you can use the same variable name, or I will change it. So minutes, which means that it should be multiplied by 60 again. So in this way we managed to convert it into minutes. So here the variable name days is the same, and here you can call the variable minutes. So in a similar way we can write another definition of a function to convert it to seconds. So days to seconds here. Let's make this S capital. Okay, it doesn't matter, any name you can use. So days to seconds. So here I can write minutes instead of minutes. I can write seconds. So I'm going to compute the number of seconds. So multiply by 60 again, and instead of and here instead of hours the unit should be minutes. I have mistakenly wrote hours, but it should be minutes because in this function we are converting it to minutes. This one is of course correct, and here seconds, and you need to replace this variable with seconds. And also it's not hours now, it's becomes seconds. So in this way we managed to write 3 function definitions to convert days to hours, minutes and seconds. So let's see what will happen when we run this program. So once we run this program nothing happens because this is only the definition for the 3 functions, and we have not called these functions to be executed. So first we will call days to hours, and next okay, first I will run this and show you. So 3 days equals 72 hours. So next I will also call days to minutes. So now I'm going to run this and you will see 3 days equal 72 hours, as well as you get the second result as well. So next I will call days to seconds. So now we have three functions: hours, minutes and seconds. So now when I click this play button, you will notice that there are three results appearing on the run console. So in this way we managed to use these three functions. And if you need to change the days, so let's suppose we have 90 days, so basically changing this global variable will compute the respective calculations inside these functions. So let us try now. So this computed this results for 90 days. And here one more interesting thing is, like, now the days is 90, so here you can remodify days equal, let's say, 5. So here first we computed for 90 days. Now we have changed the variable. Now if I copy this code set of functions again and execute them below this number of days equal 5, first it will compute the results for days becoming 90, then it will compute the results for days equal 5. So let's see the results now. So here you get three results for 90 days as shown. And next, as we have modified the days variable over here, it will give us another three results for 5 days in hours, minutes and seconds. In this way we managed to use simple functions, or we managed to use many functions in a single Python script. Thank you very much for watching.